Yeah, in the Easter Monday we were shopping and we both saw this magazine, the Smallholder magazine, April 2018, for 395, and we saw an article, an advertisement about the chicken incubators. And we thought, oh, that's nice. This is a local uh, producer of these machines, and we can buy it from them because we read a lot of horror and kind of failure stories about the failed incubation of chicken eggs and other eggs, and we thought that we want somewhere that they will be available and accountable for any failure, and we chose this Brinsea incubation specialist. This is the mini 2 advanced incubator. Um, we received it in this same condition. We missed to pick it because both of us are working. But when we went to the neighbor, it was like this. I noticed that there is no ceiling or anything here. So I expect the Brinsea the next time, if they deliver anything to anyone, to put a label or a tab or something, sticky tab, to protect it, or put it in a plastic bag, clear plastic bag. We don't want it to break, so people can see which way is up. And that's the way we received it. So now we are now going to open it. I've just covered the address and other things, so just for personal preference. Now we are opening it. Oh, so that means this is upside down. And this has been opened, the package. Oh, our neighbor has opened it. Okay, so that's the incubating machine. Can you put it here, Susan, please? And we can look through it and see what is available. Okay, this is the machine itself. This is the LED with the fan and with the heater and digital things. What is this? Oh, this is, I think, is a adapter.
Yes, exactly.
I hope the wire is long. Okay, that's adapter,
Yes.
the wire. It looks long. It looks about 1 meter or longer. Yeah, usually when you buy from foreign countries, they don't really give you much wire. Can you open this and let me see how long is this wire? Please. Okay, in the meantime, I'm showing the whatever is here. This is the planetary, oh, this is a cap. I think this is a water container. You put the water inside here for humidity.
Well,
And this is a cap for the stopping the, I will pick the manual one by one. This is a cap for stopping the chickens fall into it. Oh, that looks long wire. Okay, that's great. This is the disc itself. Can you come here and remove this disc, Susan, please? This disc should come out. Okay, this is the planetary disc which turns. It has a space for 7 eggs. This is the pad for the chickens when they want to come out. They may sleep on this one, slide on this. So this stops that happening. So they will be having a place to grip their hand. This is the manual. Oh, advanced manual. Mini 2 egg incubator advanced operating. Can I just see it? Operating manual. Yes. Let's see what's the rest of the fix. Okay. Oh, visitor virtual register. Okay, we'll go to register to enjoy the 3 years of guarantee. And there is a little incubator and accessories Brinsea product. This is a catalog of them. And yeah. And there is another version of this called Eco. And Eco is cheaper because that doesn't turn. This one turns. So if you're working and you don't have the time to turn the eggs during the day, that Eco is not good for you. This one is good. It's called Advanced. And it has space for 7 eggs. So, Susan, when we ordered it last night, huh? Oh, we are in Amazon Prime, so we received it immediately. Next day. Yeah. And free of charge delivery. We don't pay for the delivery.
This has to go on to
Now, that's the next stage when I think the chickens are hatching. So this comes on top. You have to put the LED, the cap on. Do you mind to put it on there.
What's for? Just
That is for here
okay.
to stop the chicks when they hatch to fall in the water so that they don't drown themselves. Is it there?
I don't know.
No. I think it is here. Yeah, that's a little
Oh, yeah.
servo motor here which turns it. I suppose a few centimeter each time. So that's what you will do. And where the plug goes, the plug must go somewhere. Yeah, I think the plug goes here. I think so. Just let me get sure. Do you see another plug hole?
No, don't.
Is there? Oh, here. The plug goes here.
Yeah.
Here.
I thought it goes here.
Yeah.
Well, doesn't, well, no, it doesn't. It goes here.
Yeah, look.
All right then. Okay. But what's this hole for then?
What is that hole? That's
Oh, I don't
a
know.
screw.
Oh right. Okay.
This is the hole. You can see there is a wire.
Okay,
You
then
can
put
push
it
it, press it, if we go in.
No, it won't go in. Doesn't- No, it does.
Yes. Now put it back. Put this in this hole. Okay. We have to be gentle with this because this is plastic. You know, it's not metal. So you need to be extra gentle. The adapter, okay, is a 12 volt adapter, 1.5 ampere. So it changes the any 100 to 240 volts to 12 volt, 1.5 ampere, 50 to 60 hertz. Okay, that's nice. And we will, when we are operating this, we will also make a video about this. Nice product. The only criticism of for that is that until you receive it, it should be sealed really. When it passes the QC and is going to the customer, should have a tab here, sticky tab, that protects it from the customer to receive it without being opened. How you can be sure that the right amount, right equipment is received or nothing is missing? If it is open, like the way that they send it, there is no guarantee on that. So we should be sure. I think this is a oversight that should actually correct it next time.